Hello everyone, it's Marvin, your local Honda sales agent. On today's video, I would like to share to you how to connect your car seat on your vehicle. For first, basically what you need to do is make sure to check the car seat's owner's manual or instruction guide to how to properly install it, because different manufacturer will probably have a different instruction guide as well. So on your car seat, you also have 3 belts, so one latch on the left hand side and another latch on the right hand side for different side of the latch, and the last one is for the rear, so you can connect at the rear of the seats there. So first thing first, make sure that all the belts are freely so you have room to tighten them up. So let's start to connect them. So on your car seat, on your seat as well, you should be able to find and locate like an anchor hook right there. There's one and another one at the bottom right there, and they always show you a marking where you can locate them. So there's one right there and there's another one. Okay, so connect this one. There you go. You're gonna hear a snap once you connect and hooked it up, but before you tighten this up, make sure that you connect the other one as well. So let's hook this up. Let's hear the snap and click. There you go. Now it's all fixed. Still, don't tighten it up because we have one more belt to secure, and that's for the rear. So this is very important for the car seats that's also front facing. Make sure that it's already hooked and tight, so when the moment you immediately hit your brake, your car seat doesn't go fall like that forward. So make sure that the rear latch is also secured, very important. So this is the hook, and that's the sign that you need to see, and you'll be able to find it in the very bottom there. It's tight, so you make sure that you have room. Moving forward, and that's the hook that I'm talking about right there. So this hook, connect this one on the latch anchor. Now you can make surely secure this by pulling the belt. Make sure it's tight. So this part is tight. Now you can also make it forward, and you can make this one tighter. Make sure that there's no wiggle room. That one is locked. Now you can also tighten this up. Make sure that there's no wiggle room because you have the most precious package on your vehicle. And check it, inspect it. All the hooks should be connected. So you got 1, 2, and 3, and you're done. Easy.